everyone, and welcome to a new video for EasyEquities. Today I want to speak about dividends because it was one of the things that got me more motivated to start with more detailed investing and to spend more time with it. Today I want to explain to you what it is. In a nutshell, a dividend is a part a company pays you just for owning one of their shares. For example, if you own 100 MTN shares and they say they pay R1.50 per share, you'll get 150 Rand, usually annually, once per year. Sometimes they do twice a year. You're gonna have to Google your company to figure out what they do. Yes, so one thing I want to say is, if a company pays dividends, it doesn't mean it's a good company. Sometimes a company wants to keep their finances in order for the company to grow, where others maybe feel well established and rather want more investors, and then they pay dividends to keep the investors. I know R1.50 or 80 cents or whatever the amount may be, it doesn't seem like a lot. As in the long run, it will be good. And you can potentially live off it. But then you have to invest a lot of money. Okay, so let's go on EasyEquities app. They did renew it. Yes, they renewed their app. Actually, I did a beginner's guide on EasyEquities. The next day they made an update, which was interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go on my EasyEquities app. They've got a new logo. They're pushing away from that pink reddish color they've got. I'm going to show you how you can figure out your company's dividend. Okay, here's my portfolio. I'm going to go on to my EasyEquities ZAR account. There they give you normal stuff. For a guide on EasyEquities, go to my beginner's guide. I know the app changed, but it's very similar. Okay, scroll down. Holdings. Okay, I'm gonna go to, let's go to FirstRand. I know they pay a decent dividend. And I'm gonna click on FirstRand, and it's gonna give me a lot of cool information. I'm just gonna skip most of it, or yeah, most of it. There you can see I own 69 shares. It told me the price I purchased it at, the price it is now, then my shares, which is 69. Then I scroll down and you can see a cool graph of what it's been doing, what the company's been doing. You can go obviously to 1 month. Can you see there? Maybe not. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever. Let's go to 6 months and you can get an idea of what FirstRand's been doing. Then, this is what I want to show you. At the bottom, you've got an option MoneyWeb. If you go on that, it takes you to a different page, but it's connected to EasyEquities. I would like EasyEquities to in the future have a subcategory for its dividends and show you more what you are getting. It's just more exciting. Okay, now we're on MoneyWeb through EasyEquities. Okay, if I scroll down, 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 and then I get to this option where it starts with the market cap. And if you go a bit down, 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 it said the last dividend they paid was R1.46. So, R1.46, my math isn't that good, R1.46 times 69, I'll get 100 Rand. And I think this is per year. They already paid their dividend. You see, date of the last dividend was on 10th of March this year. Okay, but remember, I'll get about 100 Rand on a, ooh, not that far out. And I invested 2,600 Rand. So what's nice about that is, FirstRand should see growth. But let's leave that growth out of it. Then what you can do is, you can either reinvest your dividend into your share or let EasyEquities pay it out into your EasyEquities bank, which is the middle space between your bank account and your investment. Okay, how you do that, if I clicked on first rand, I'll be at the top, scroll a bit down, there's a little hand holding a coin like this. It says, your dividend rewards are currently set to pay the money into the cash portion of my account. I want EasyEquities to pay it into the EasyEquities bank, my EasyEquities bank. Yes. But if I click change, you can either set it to that one or automatically reinvest the money into the holding. EasyEquities will send you a mail, I believe, and they'll send you a message on your dividend that's being paid, which is nice. So that's the basic of dividends through EasyEquities. EasyEquities, I think, is actually going internationally soon, which will be amazing, I believe. We hope for that. I think it's still a bit behind the other apps, but as a South African, I like EasyEquities for its ease, and yeah, I can see that it's got great potential for the future. So if you have any other questions, please leave it in the comments and we can talk about that. But other than that, happy investing. Cool.